Hey guys, Journey with Cerny here. Just wanted to do a quick video on Facebook and their earnings and show you my portfolio real quick, just a quick portfolio update. So, if you guys watched my first video, you will know that Facebook is my second largest holding next to Raytheon. I only own 4 companies right now: Raytheon, Facebook, YY, and Thor. But I believe in Facebook super long term. I believe it'll be more than a social media company. One day I believe it'll be a media company. I definitely believe in their Oculus, VR. I just believe a lot in Facebook. I think their potential's off the charts and they can do so much. But regardless, to get to the news of the day, just wanted to show you what happened with Facebook and their earnings. So we can see here that the earnings came in at the EPS of $2.38, which beat by 20 cents. Revenue of $16.91 billion, up 30.4% year over year. That is impressive for a company of this size, and that beat by 510 million. As you can see, when the article was written, the shares were up by 4.8%, but now it's much more than that. And then also, as you can see here, the revenues rose 30% to 16.9 billion. Mobile advertising revenue made up 93% of ad revenue, up from the prior year's 89%. And then daily active users were up 9% year over year in December. And so that brought the monthly active users to 2.32 billion. So I'm very happy with Facebook stock. I have been in the red with Facebook stock for quite a long time. As you can see, I saw the worst of it. I think it was right before Christmas. Yes, right before Christmas. It was at $124. Let's see when I picked this up. The peak of this thing was around $220, I believe. Let's see. Yeah, about that. And I thought I was getting a really good deal when I bought into it. I bought it pretty much, right here. So I was like, oh yeah, I am totally getting, the bottom of this. And at first I thought I was right, it was rising, but then obviously look at that action there. So it went really low, but I'm very happy now. Today was a great day, as you can see. On the day, in the trading hours, it was up 4.32%. After hours, it exploded 11.5% because of those great earnings that I showed you earlier. And so I'm very happy with Facebook. And as a shareholder, I listened to a little bit of the call. I'm excited what I heard. Short term, I'm a little worried. They did talk about rise in cost. They talked about wanting to integrate the family of the companies to a certain messaging app. So there wasn't I wasn't quite sure, exactly what they meant. I know they're talking about WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Messenger. I think they're saying that they want to combine them all to make one singular messaging app. So I get that. I don't know why they want to do that, but so we'll see what happens with that. But regardless, I'm very happy with Facebook. And as you can see, it makes up 18.84% of my portfolio diversity. And so I'm very happy and can't really ask for much more. Definitely didn't expect this much upside after earnings. I expected a little bit of a pop. I kind of thought 5% either way, but I did not expect this. So as a shareholder, I'm very happy. I'm not quite decided if I'm going to stay. I know I believe in Facebook in the long term, and I know I do want to hold it for a super long time, but I do kind of want to sell it into strength, not at the current moment, but I do believe the best days of the stock market are behind us. For the very short term, I'm talking maybe a year, just because everything's overextended, there's so much uncertainty, but I will definitely hold on to Facebook for the very long term. If I do sell out of this position, I will quickly buy back in once weakness is shown. So I'm very happy with Facebook, and so because of how good they did today, as you can see what happened to my portfolio, it's up a little over 3%, so I'm very happy about that. And then overall, as you can see, I am down 19% since February 25th of 2018. I am nearing my 1-year anniversary being in the stock market. I was crazy obsessed with it in January of 2018. Decided to get a Robinhood account, started it, and there was a little bit of time where I wasn't super into stocks. I kind of quit watching for maybe 2 to 3 months, but I'm really back into it, and I'm very excited, and this is something that I want to be a part of my life. I'm only 22 years old right now, and I want to, have a career and just keep feeding and feeding and feeding into the portfolio and just have this be a big part of my life. Later on in the month, as we get deeper into February, I will do a recap of my portfolio to show what it looks like at the moment, if I've added any positions. As you guys know, if you watched my first video, I am considering Apple and General Mills, FedEx, and so we will see what happens then. But for now, thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, thank you very much. Please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Thank you very much, and have a great day.